And now a Times Now exclusive news break. Sources tell your channel that the government is ready with the draft proposal for the implementation of one rank, one pension. Sources also say the announcement is likely very soon, just as the BJP RSS meeting concludes today. The government has proposed revision of pension every 5 years. We have, in fact, accessed the details of this draft proposal. Joining us with more on that is my colleague Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, first of all, outline for us the main points of this draft that you have accessed.
Well, Padmaja, for one, the government is completing its political commitment of implementing OROP. It would be starting from July 2014 with 2013 as the base year. There would be first equalization in 3 years and then after every 5 years. Now, this is the only sticking point so far as government is concerned with the protesting ex-servicemen, because they wanted at least biennial. But the government says that with civilians getting it every 10 years, the government cannot make more compromise than that. Even at this, the first arrears itself would cost about 12,000 crore rupees. From the first year, it would be an additional burden of 10,000 crore rupees. Now, just to give you a perspective, Padmaja, in this year's budget, the defense salaries were about 65,000 crore rupees, the pension bill about 50,000 crore rupees. So which means the pension bill post OROP implementation would almost be equal to the salary bill of defense forces, and that is going to be a big burden, the government believes.
I've already heard from the Ex-Servicemen's Association, Major General Satbir Singh, very unhappy with what he says is a unilateral announcement of the draft, and let's listen into what he told us a while ago.
कि सरकार जो बेस ईयर है हमारे वन रैंक वन पेंशन का वो 2013 और 2014 रखना चाहती है. मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया एंड पूरे देशवासियों, 13-14 सही है, हमें मंजूर है, लेकिन जो डेट इफेक्टिवनेस है वो फिर 1/4/2014 होनी चाहिए. अगर सरकार उस डेट को आगे ले जाती है तो उनको बेस ईयर भी 1 साल आगे ले जाना चाहिए. दूसरी बात, जो डेट ऑफ इफेक्टिवनेस है वो पहले से डिक्लेयर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन के मुताबिक 1/4/2014 है, लेकिन कुछ मीडिया कर्मियों ने हमें बताया कि सरकार 1 जुलाई 2014 से लागू करना चाहती है. मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया, वो जो सरकार करना चाहती है वो वन रैंक वन पेंशन जो ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर्ड है वो उसके मुताबिक नहीं होगा. तो अगर सरकार 5 साल या 3 साल वाला 5 साल के बाद, पहला 3 वर्ष के बाद और बाद में 5 साल के बाद ऐसा इक्वलाइजेशन करती है भाइयों, तो हम सबको वो मंजूर नहीं है. तो इसलिए ऐसी अगर यूनिलैटरल सरकार अनाउंस करती है तो हम उसको रिजेक्ट करेंगे.
The government is almighty. Government can do whatever they want. If government wants to announce it single-handedly, one-sided story, they are free to do it. We will not accept it, because as far as we are concerned, one rank, one pension means review every year. As a special concession to the government, under, keeping view in the sentiments of all people and the government, we had agreed for 2 years. We will not accept anything more than 2 years.